What kinds of things do you do to avoid the momentum fading, or how do you kind of keep the teachers excited and engaged in learning more and doing more with the BenQ boards?
First, back to the materials that we're creating. I think us sending out those things is helping to continue engagement with the board. Secondly, we visit our sites for a bi-weekly basis. Sometimes it ends up being monthly, just depending on what's going on. But I know for Courtney and I, we are always checking with our teachers and saying, hey, what things are going well? What things do you need help with? And when they mention something, when they mention a problem that we can solve with the BenQ, then we do. And so we've been able to, I think, just kind of give them small wins over time that keep them engaged in what they're doing. And with any technology, there are always things that, we're kind of having to troubleshoot for them or help them understand a little bit better. But I think really the big thing is the fact that we are constantly checking in with them and we are constantly giving them resources and support for the BenQ, regardless of the model, and just making sure that we're meeting them where they are and solving those little problems, and that keeps them engaged.